Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found this information informative. I've got some really good, exciting news to share with you all today. An app that can make you quick money. That's right, I'm talking about the Draiver app. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this video to find out how you can make some extra cash up to $100 per day. Now, let's face it, life can be expensive between rent, bills, groceries, and those unexpected expenses. It often feels like our wallets are getting thinner by the day. I don't know about you, but I'm also on the lookout for side hustles that can conveniently fit into my schedule. So, whether it's a little extra cash for the weekend getaway or just to pay for that overpriced iced coffee from Starbucks, that I definitely enjoy. Finding the right opportunity can make the world a different place. That's right. So, with the Draiver app comes into place, I'm going to be breaking down everything that you need to know. So let me go ahead and break this down. So the Driver app is a platform that connects drivers with business needing transportation for their vehicles. So instead of just being part of a ride-shared hustle, you are literally driving vehicles from one location to another for companies that need them moved. Now, think car dealerships, rental services agencies, and e-commercial realtors. It's a win-win situation. So imagine this, you're picking up a car from a dealership, driving it to a client's home or to another location and earning money in the process. It's a straightforward, flexible, and perfect for those of us who need some quick cash without committing to a full-time job. Now, let's dive into the reason I love this app so much. First and foremost, the flexibility it offers is incredible. You can choose when and where you want to drive. So, whether you're a stay at home mom or a stay at home parent in general, or a student, or someone just looking for some extra cash on the weekends, you can carve out your own schedule. This means you can still focus on your primary jobs or commitments while still making extra money on the side. Now, let's talk about the earning potentials. So, depending on how often you drive and the distance involved, the money can really add up. You can typically earn between $20 to $50 per trip. Now, depending on factors like distance and demand, sounds interesting, right? Plus, the app has a user friendly interface that makes signing up and tracking your earnings incredibly easy. Now, to give you all a sense of how this works in real life, let me share a quick story from my own personal experience. So, a few years ago, I decided to give the Draiver app a try. I thought it would take a few hours on a Saturday to see what it was all about and what the hype was about on why this app was so popular. I opened the app, found my first job, and within an hour, I was driving a sedan to a local auto shop. Now, the process was simple, and I felt a sense of accomplishment as I returned the car and got paid for it on the spot. So you get paid on the spot, which is a plus. Now, that first drive turned into a series of several jobs that weekend. And then I remember, why didn't I do this sooner? So it's hassle free and allowed me to take advantage of some downtime I would have otherwise wasted. Now, if you're looking to maximize your earnings potential with the Draiver app, I have a few tips to share with you all. First, keep an eye on the peak time when demands are high, like weekends and holidays. Now, this is when you can grab those high paying gigs. Also, having a reliable vehicle makes a big difference. So, if you maintain your vehicle well, it's not only safer, but can also make the job smooth and fast. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of reviews. Once you've completed a job, take a moment to review your experience. Good reviews can lead to more opportunities and can influence your overall rating in the app. So, to break this all down, to make extra money, drive vehicles, no passengers. So, peacefully and relaxing experiences allowing you to fully focus on the road. Driver covers out of pocket expenses for fuel and tolls, flexible hours so you can choose to drive on your own time. Also, the driver requirements are updated driver's license, clean background, clean driving record, legally eligible to work within a specific country of application. Now, there are four easy steps to get started. So, the first step you want to do to start driving with this app is to download the app and sign up. Once approved, review available trips and accept those that fit your schedule. So, you don't want to do anything that's not going to fit your schedule. Step three, get to the start location and click on the On My Way button in the app. And the last but not least step is to drive within step-by-step instructions specifically to your trip. So there you have it. The Driver app is not just a way to make quick money, it's an opportunity to take control of your financial situation in a flexible and straightforward manner. So if you're looking for a side hustle that allows you to drive, enjoy the open road, and make a little extra cash on the side, I highly encourage you to check out this app. Now, if you have any questions about this app or if you had experience with it, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with your friends and family who also might benefit from some extra cash flow trips. Now, thank you all for tuning in. I will see you all in the next video. Again, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure that you give it a likes and a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already.